I contemplate the presence. Pray without ceasing. 1 Thessalonians 3:17. It doesn't matter what we call it, so long as we remember that there is a secret place of the Most High within us, and that we may consciously enter it by merely knowing that we are already there. This is the place where the universe meets us in its wholeness without any restriction whatsoever. This is the place where the all delivers everything that it is to us. Anything that helps you to enter here is good. If you say prayers, make affirmations, repeat beautiful passages, or just sit in a quiet contemplation of your thought, realizing the presence of life, you will do well. For all of these methods lead to the conclusion that the power exists and is available. All life, all health, all love, all peace exist in this power. Our loneliness, our sense of isolation, our poverty, our doubt, and our sickness are results of being disconnected in consciousness from this divine self. I let go of every inharmonious, limiting thought. I quietly turn within and acknowledge that inner presence of my own being. Beautiful, uplifting feelings of harmony, peace, and love flow through me like a river, elevating my consciousness to a new and higher level of acceptance and unity.